Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to use a PIR motion sensor with an Arduino Uno. First of all, open your computer and open the Arduino IDE. Now once you open the Arduino IDE, the first step what we have to do is we have to initialize the LED and PIR pins. To do that, type int LED pin. I have connected the LED to pin number 13, and now let us initialize the PIR pin. I'll be connecting that to pin number 7. Now we have to create a variable known as val, which is the digital value which the PIR sensor gives to the Arduino. Now let us tell the Arduino that which pins are output and which pins are input. To do that, we use the pin mode function. Pin mode LED is output and pin mode PIR is input. Now let us go to the main loop. In the main loop, what we want to do is if the value from the PIR sensor is high, we want the LED to glow. And if the value from the PIR is low, we want the LED to be off. So let us write the code over here. Before we do that, we need to tell that the value is our variable val is the digital reading from the PIR pin. So let us write it here using the digital read function. Now let us write the if block. If the value is high, digital write the LED pin as high. You can also find the link to my code in my description below. And now if the digital value from the PIR pin is low, we want the LED to be off. So let us write it over here. Sorry, this should be LED, not PIR. Now let me copy this and paste it over here. Now I'll just change the high over here into low. So what this does is this turns off the LED when there is no digital output from the PIR. Now let's compile this to check if there are no errors. As you can see, our program is compiled successfully. Now you can go ahead and upload this to your Arduino board. To the circuit, take the Arduino Uno and take an LED. Connect the positive terminal of the LED to pin number 13 on the Arduino and the negative terminal to the ground pin. Now take the PIR sensor. In the PIR sensor, the rightmost wire is the VCC pin. Now you should connect the VCC to the 5V pin on the Arduino. Now the leftmost wire on the PIR sensor is the ground pin. Connect the ground of the PIR sensor into the ground of the Arduino. Now the middle wire is the output pin. Now you have to connect the output pin into pin number 7 of the Arduino. Now when you give power to your Arduino board, the PIR, when the PIR detects motion, it should turn on the LED, and when there is no motion, that the PIR value is 0, then the LED should be off. Now let's upload the program. Okay, now let us check it if our project works. Now as you can see, when I keep my hand in front of the PIR sensor, it detects the motion and it turns on the LED. This is because when there is any motion in front of the PIR sensor, it gives a high signal to the Arduino board, and we have programmed such that when there is a high signal, the LED should glow. So as you can see, it's working properly. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like my video.